Hey guys, what's going on? It's that Home Theater Dude back with a brand new episode. We're going to be doing the unboxing and overview of the Trinnov CI today. This is going to be the showroom demo for the foreseeable future. I've started a brand new AV company. I have Lux Audio Visual. So if you guys want to come check this stuff out in person, you guys know where to go. Links down in the description, but we're going to do an unboxing. We're going to do it right after the intro. Alright guys, super excited to get this thing unboxed. This is the Trinnov CI, like we're talking about, brand new. This is the first batch that came out into the Americas, so you're starting to see these videos come out, mainly with like influencers and stuff like that, but I think this is like one of the first ones that I've seen that's actually owned by a company. Really excited about this one. I was most excited about this during Cedia. I didn't think that the Dante was much important until I actually saw this thing at Cedia. There is so much more flexibility that you get with this actual equipment than any other processor out there. Well, the reason why I like it so much is because it saves you money, right? Trinnov, from what I've gathered and selling these things for several years now, is people see these things as expensive. So if you can actually save them money, you know, it definitely helps because you can get into the higher quality equipment without, you know, going broke. So this is the microphone kit. Let me go ahead and show you that. We do have this nice sturdy, which is a game changer for me, because whenever I'm going and doing installations of this stuff, this is a padded, sturdy one kit solution versus it being in the old scenario in which you basically would break this paper box. You know, if it got rained on or anything like that, it would just be destroyed. Here's the brand new iteration of the microphone. We have the EtherCon connection down here, so basically this is a PoE device. The cool thing that I like about Trinnov is that it's not a mono microphone. You get 4 capsules on there. So just like you find an airplane or your car in space, it tells you, well, this is more of a better for airplane analogy. It'll tell you where you are left and right on the map, but it also tells you how high you are with altitude. So this really pinpoints exactly where your speakers are in your room based upon that. It's basically our space in calculus. We have a little different connectors for the bottom there to connect to your favorite microphone stand. And then you also have the isolator, which helps out. So instead of just connecting this directly to a microphone stand that can bump and jiggle in space in the room, you basically have this thing suspended on this system to where you don't have to worry about it. And again, I can't stress how awesome it is to put the stuff back in its own configurable area. And then you have a really cool EtherCon is what it's called. It is basically an XLR looking device. This is on the digital domain because they're both Ethernet ports. But you also get this little cage that you can put the stuff into. And then again, it's repeatable. You can put it in here every single time and then it just go ahead and close every single time, which is awesome. We also have the quick start guide. So this really isn't a, hey, let's go ahead and ship you this thing and you go ahead and do it. This is gonna be controlled by whoever sells you the equipment. And if you ever get into a scenario in which you're, hey, I just want to go ahead and buy this thing online and just do it myself, like that's not what you're paying for whenever you buy something like this. Trinnov can't afford to have a bad demo out in the field, so they don't let that happen. So the dealers are supposed to work with you and do this stuff themselves. That's why they have level 2 and level 1 and level 2 calibrated or certified Trinnov dealers. By the way, I'm level 2 and everyone on my team is level 2 certified with Trinnov as well. So that way, you know, you get exactly what you pay for, because obviously you don't want to pay for something very expensive and then have it to where it's not really your cup of tea. You have an SFP. This is a Ethernet type SFP for connection. RJ45 to SFP type module. You also get rack mounting ears for the equipment. Also, side note, if you ever can, don't rack mount your stuff. Have it on a shelf and isolate it on platforms. That way you're gonna be able to not ground the actual equipment itself. It's gonna sound better. You guys think I'm crazy? Try it yourself. And we have a dedicated IR blaster right here. So if this is in a shelf or a cabinet, you don't have to worry about that. This stuff, if you connect it to the internet, you can pull out your phone or a tablet. You should be able to control it. Also on your laptop, you'd be able to control that as well. This is a really flimsy power cord. I'd recommend beefing that up with a much higher quality one, but they give you a power cord to start your unit. Let's see, let's get all this stuff out of here and show you what's doing. All right guys, so this is the front of the brand new Trinnov CI. As you'll see here, roughly about I guess it's not roughly, it is a 2RU tall unit. There are no knobs on the front. This doesn't come with a remote. You're gonna control this via control system, IP, whether it's the laptop, or you're gonna pull out your cell phone and control it that way. So realistically, this isn't something that we just drop ship to customers. This is something that we go out and set up and make sure it's custom tailored for you, because this is a brand new Armani suit. You don't want to make sure that it's fitting wrong or it doesn't work for your particular scenario. So we want to make sure we're protecting your investment. And let's see if this thing is going to power up and give you that loud whoosh that we just heard a second ago. But literally what this is it's a supercomputer that will control your audio. So we've already shown you the front. Let's show you the side, or the back here. Actually, before we get into that, let's see if we can blur out the... All right, guys, we just got this thing unboxed. This is the brand new Trinnov CI, 2RU high, no knobs on the front, no remote in the box. This is going to be controlled via IP, cell phone, or your network via the laptop or computer. You can get everything custom set up in there perfectly for you. This isn't set up out of the box, but that's the reason why you actually get a dealer to come out and install this thing, because then it's a custom tailored suit for your specific application. Let's check out the back here, and right now it's on. I can barely hear it. So I mean, these little fans in there aren't really doing much to add noise to the system. So if you want to keep this in the room, it's the CI, so since there's no knobs and no real frills on it, you're not necessarily going to have this thing in the room itself. It's probably going to be remote somewhere off in the distance in a rack configuration. Over here we have some service ports, HDMI and USB-C. We have the EtherCon connection, which I showed you that earlier with the accessories box that you have over there. We also have analog outs. So you have 8 analog outs right out of the gate right here, and that's all you get. You don't get any more. So you can use these with your existing subwoofers that you have that aren't Dante enabled. That's typically the reason why you're going to use these analogs. Or if you already have an expensive amplifier that you already have that you just cannot live without doing Dante on, then you can have your analog outs to connect to those. Besides that, you're going to basically use these for its intended purpose and use the digital protocol, which is going to be the AES outs over here. So we have 1 through 16. This is a DB25. You also have the 17 through 32. So right out of the gate, you're going to have 8 channels loaded on this thing. You can buy pairs of 2 channel licenses to get as many as you want on here. So you're basically making this thing to where you're not wasting any money on non-used channels. If you need the channels, you pay for them. And then you get them upgraded right there on the spot. Digital inputs over here, we have 1 through 16. You also have 17 through 32 right here, so that kind of rounds out the inputs. Digital inputs over here, coax, SPDIF, digital. You also have 4, which this is probably the only thing that I would say is a negative for me, but for most people, I'm guessing, since Trinnov, every single unit is on their Trinnov server, they probably realize that you're not using more than 3 or 4 HDMI ins at the same time anyway. So that's why they only give you 4 HDMI ins. And then again, all this thing is just about saving you money. So it's giving you the performance, saving you as much money as possible, giving you the biggest bang for buck. 2 HDMI outputs right here. Over here we have it plugged in with its power cord that's included. You can change out the fuse here if you ever need to. And I believe, let's see, it's an 800. I think it's an 800 milliamp small fuse. So that one will go right there. If you need fuse recommendations, I know a guy, links down in the description, give me a call. Switch right here, that will literally just put this thing into on mode or turn it completely off. Standby switches in the front. Trigger outs right here, you have 4 of them. It's pretty common for a Trinnov. You have 1 trigger in, so if you want this thing semi-automated, you can do that as well. Or you can do this as wake on LAN, which is really, really cool. IR in with that IR blaster that we showed you in the accessories kit. Serial control for that protocol, service port, which is a USB-B. You have a USB 2.A, which I'm guessing is mainly for the powering aspect of these HDMIs. And then you also have your Ethernet protocols over here. So all these are individually assignable. Same thing as over here, which I didn't recommend, which I didn't tell you guys about earlier. You could make this specifically just for the IP servicing right here, or you can have it to where these are just doing Dante, or you can swap it. This one does Dante, this one does IP, whatever you want to do. So all this stuff is super customizable. Same thing over here. If you want to do, with these 8 channels that are included, if you wanted to do 1 through 7 digital and Dante, you could do that. And you could also do just 1 channel balanced in the analog domain. And you can literally just do like opposites. So 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. You can do it however you want to do it, which is really, really cool, because most other processors do not have that flexibility. So that's pretty much it for the Trinnov CI. I'm super excited to bring this thing to you guys. I couldn't be more excited about launching my brand new company. I don't work with any other companies, so if you guys have seen me on YouTube working with other brands from before, that is long, long gone. I have my own company called Lux Audio Visual. Happy to help you guys out. I'm the guy that's actually going to be taking care of you on all these gigs. So if you need anything, you have literally any questions, if you guys want to grab any equipment like the Trinnov, the Barco, any high-end luxury equipment, we're happy to help you out. We're sitting in a pro audio room right now. It's one of my favorites out there. There's literally nothing that I've ever heard that's like it. But this and a pro system, it's a match made in heaven. And even down to a theory system, because all of it, it's just going to save you money. That's all I got for you guys. If you guys like more content like this, I'm going to be bringing out a lot more videos pretty soon. I'm getting my butt back to work. And making more of this content for you guys. Super excited to do it. If you guys want to grab any of this equipment, links down in the description. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.